Hello everyone, this is Shanti Sesat from Information Technology Department of Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. In this session, we start the next practical, that is practical number 15, which is related to pointer to derived class. Guys, in previous practical, that is practical number 14, in practical number 40, we learn about or we implemented three programs, that is pointer to object, means pointer is of same class and object of the same class. But here we implement the program that is pointer of base class which points to the derived class. So guys, let's start with the program or practical related to pointer to derived class. Okay. Pointer to derived class means base class pointer points to the derived class object. Okay. Here class polygon having data members width, height and length and contains the one virtual function. I only created a virtual function, that is virtual void area with blank body, and another one function, that is virtual void show. Both are the function of the base class polygon. After that, I created a class rectangle having base class polygon. Okay, which contains the one data member, that is rect. Okay. Then in void area is a virtual function of the base class polygon which is defined in derived class rectangle. Here I perform the input operation for width and height, and after that calculate the area, that rectangle area, that is width into height. In show function, I just display the area of rectangle which is calculated and stored in rect variable. After that, class triangle, another one class, that is class triangle, and here the class triangle is a derived class, another one derived class of same base class polygon, means this is the type where single base class having multiple derived class, single base class and multiple derived class, because polygon is a single base class having two derived class, one is rectangle and one is triangle. So this is a type of hierarchical inheritance, one base class and multiple derived class. Here one variable, that is triangle area. For triangle area, here we perform the input operation for length and height, and then here we calculate the area of triangle, that is 0.5, that is half into base into height, length into height. Okay. This length and height both are the variable of which class? Of base class. Check here, width, height and length. These base class variable are declared in public section of the class and which are used in derived class. Width and height, and same here in triangle derived class we use length and height. Also the virtual function of the base class, that is area function and show function, implemented here, defined here. Void area, they calculate the area of the triangle, and here we show the area of triangle. Okay. Now check the functionality in main function. Here I created the polygon P, ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट किया है हमने बेस क्लास का एंड बेस क्लास का पॉइंटर क्रिएट किया है, बट इन बेस क्लास हमने कुछ ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म किया है क्या? यस, वर्चुअल वॉइड एरिया, वर्चुअल वॉइड शो, वॉइड एरिया एंड वॉइड शो दोनों फंक्शंस जो है वो यहाँ पे रन हो रहे हैं, बट इसके जो फंक्शंस है वो वर्चुअल फंक्शंस है. तो हम फर्स्ट क्या करें, यहाँ पे पॉलीगॉन P and pointer P1 of the class base class holds the address of base class, and here we call the function of base class virtual function, that is area and show. Now here we created the object of derived class rectangle, and the pointer of the same class. Which class? Base class. Pointer of the base class, that is P1. And here we converted, that is rectangle, means P1 is a pointer of base class, but now here it acts as a pointer of which class? Derived class rectangle, which holds the address of derived class R. Which holds the address of derived class R. And after that, this pointer object, that is pointer P1, points to the area function of the rectangle class, and this pointer P1 points to the show function of the rectangle class. Why? Because here P1 is a pointer of the base class which holds the address of derived class, that is pointer to derived class. Base class pointer points to the derived class. Base class pointer holds the address of derived class. Which derived class? Rectangle derived class. But we know that pointer required, okay, एक्चुअली हम लोग टाइप कन्वर्जन यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं, कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे, ओके, टाइप कन्वर्जन यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज हम लोग को पता है कि इफ यू वांट टू होल्ड द एड्रेस, हमने ऑलरेडी देखा है, मैंने आपको प्रीवियस प्रैक्टिकल नंबर 14 में बताया था, इंटीजर पॉइंटर अगर मैंने p लिया है तो इंटीजर पॉइंटर ओनली होल्ड्स द एड्रेस ऑफ इंटीजर टाइप वेरिएबल, राइट. अगर मैंने यहाँ पे क्या किया, इंटीजर a कॉमा पॉइंटर p एंड देन मैंने क्या किया, p इज इक्वल टू एड्रेस ऑफ, यस दिस इज वैलिड बिकॉज p इज अ पॉइंटर. ये डेटा टाइप क्या स्पेसिफाई कर रहा है? p इज अ पॉइंटर विच ओनली होल्ड्स द एड्रेस ऑफ इंटीजर टाइप वेरिएबल, राइट. Similar to that, यहाँ पे हमारा pointer P1 is a pointer of type polygon. So pointer P1 as per the pointer rules only holds the address of object of type polygon. तो object polygon type का कौन सा object है? P. But now here we want to points the base class pointer. Here we want to implement the concept of pointer to derived class. Means base class pointer points to derived class. So here need a type conversion, means हम लोग को क्या करना है, this base pointer P1 जो है उसका टाइप क्या है? पॉलीगॉन. Here we need to convert it into the rectangle, that is टाइप कन्वर्जन हम कर रहे हैं. पॉइंटर P1 का टाइप यहाँ पे क्या है? पॉलीगॉन. जो हम यहाँ पे उसका टाइप कन्वर्जन करके क्या कर रहे हैं? रेक्टेंगल. ये है P1 बट उसका रेक्टेंगल टाइप कन्वर्जन करके हम क्या करें, उसमें डिराइव्ड क्लास का एड्रेस होल्ड करके रख रहे हैं एंड देन डिराइव्ड क्लास के एरिया एंड शो फंक्शन को वो पॉइंट कर रहे हैं. सिमिलर टू दैट, ट्रायंगल T is the object of another derived class, and now here pointer P1 we perform the type conversion. P1 का टाइप पॉलीगॉन है, वो कन्वर्ट हमने किस में किया है? ट्रायंगल में किया है टेम्पररी के लिए. एंड देन वी होल्ड्स द एड्रेस ऑफ, here we hold the address of triangle object. Which object? Triangle object. Okay, means actually pointer P1 is of type polygon, but now here it work as a triangle object. And then this pointer P1 of class polygon act as a pointer of triangle and points to the area and show function of the triangle object. Okay, this is the concept of pointer to the derived class, means base class pointer points to the derived class object. Base class pointer, that is P1 pointer, base class pointer, polygon base class pointer points to the rectangle object and triangle object, that is derived class object. Now perform the execution of code. Width 4, height 5, area of rectangle that is 20, then enter the length that is 3 and height 6. The area of triangle half into base into height, half into base into, right, 6 into 3 18 ka half 9. That's it. This is the concept of pointer to derived class. Guys, I know this is the confusing part, that is this part is confusing, but if you have any doubt regarding this, how this type conversion, we already learned about the type conversion in C and C programming, data type conversion. Similar to that, here we perform the pointer type conversion. Pointer of the base class converted into the pointer of derived class. This is type conversion. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this, I will solve your doubt in live session. Thank you.